and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Akantwadi Goyant Naka finally makes a debut in spite of threats. Court reserves order on Sri Ram Sene's plea to stay the theatre. Goans support theatrists to go ahead with the show. FEMI objects amendments in mines and minerals concessions, says it will affect renewals across India. Leases will lapse. %67% rise in rapes this year, drastic rise in dacoities and robberies, heavy drop in crime detection. Prudent assesses Home Ministry's report tabled in House. Lavu Mamladar spells a rat in auctioning of Sopo by municipality, says Sopo issue needs vigilance probe, clears BJP MGP to contest 2017 and 2022. And Rainforest Challenge India gets off to a daring start at Dona Paula. RFC creator Louis V pleasantly surprised with passion of first-time participants. Now the news in detail. Tausif de Navilin's controversial theatre Akantwadi Goyant Naka was finally released on Saturday evening under heavy police protection. Theatre lovers gathered at Margaon police station pressing for the release of the show. Tausif had decided to postpone the release as he got a call on Friday night threatening to burn down cars of the theatre goers. Sri Ram Sene has approached the court for a stay on the theatre, but the court has reserved the verdict without giving an interim stay.
Theatre writer Tausif said he received a threat call at 2 at night on Friday. Caller threatened to damage and burn vehicles of viewers who come to watch the theatre. Tausif decided to postpone the debut show, but later theatre lovers from Salsette came forward and gathered at Margaon police station pressing release of the theatre. Akantwadi Goyant Naka, Tausif's controversial theatre, finally started at around 5:45 on Saturday evening. Police protection and bomb squad ensured the safety in and around Vidyaniketan in Margaon, where the theatre was staged. Prudent contacted SP of South Goa, Shekhar Prabhudesai, on Saturday evening. He said, "I have promised security arrangements as per the demand of people who have gathered to watch the theatre, but nobody has apprised me of any legal matter ongoing related to this theatre in the court." Akantwadi Goyant Naka theatre is allegedly based on Sri Ram Sene head Pramod Mutalik. Sri Ram Sene approached court on Saturday morning demanding stay on the play.
I filed the suit for permanent injunction. The court has heard all the facts and situation. He has taken the suit and he has reserved for the order. The reason is that because the founder president of the Sri Ram Sena, Pramod Mutalik, they have said him as a आतंकवादी।
सवाल वो नाटक से नहीं है, सवाल वो हिडन एजेंडा जो है, पीछे जो उनका सोच है, वो सोच है हमारा लड़ाई थी।
Court has reserved its judgment on the matter and has not given any interim stay. Meanwhile, NCP has rapped BJP for the stress faced by theatrists.
This communal venom that is being spread, can it be safely said that this is state-sponsored to divert attention from the burning problem the state is facing? May it be SEZ, may it be regional plan, may it be prices, you name it, malfunctioning of the health department, absolutely collapsed. To divert this, was there any communal problems, threats during the Congress regime?
Congress leaders have called this Talibanization of Goa.
We feel that the state is slowly progressing towards Talibanization. The way the social terror have been propping up since the day the Bharatiya Janata Party government has come to the center.
Theatrist Tausif de Navili spoke to media after a successful first day first show of his theatre.
पण थोडे तियात्र पळय नासतना ह्या तियात्राचो भलतोच आवाज केलो की आमी तियात्र प्रमोद मुतालिकाचेर बरयला म्हणून. पूण तियात्र प्रमोद मुतालिकाचेर नासलो. मुतालिक हांवें बॅनराची मेन्शन केला, पूण मुतालिक जायते जाण आसता, फेर्नांडीस जायते आसा, शेख जायते आसा, मिरजकर जायते जाण आसा, पूण ताचो अर्थ असो न्ही हांवें तियात्र प्रमोद मुतालिकाचेर बरयला म्हणून. म्हजें सांगणें एकूच दिसान दीस आमच्या गोंयांतली शांती काबार जायत आसा.
This show is seen as a victory of freedom of speech and expression of Goans. Some elements tried to scuttle it, but Goans withstood the pressure and sent a strong signal to such hardliners. Bureau Report, Prudent.
FIMI has objected to the amendment in the Mines and Minerals Concession Act. FIMI stated that it will affect the second and subsequent renewal applications pending in various states. Mines Ministry in its notification has fixed the 2 years deemed period for mining leases. According to FIMI, almost all the states have a number of second and subsequent renewals pending with concerned authorities, and due to this amendment, most of the leases will lapse immediately.
Union Ministry of Mines has amended Mines and Minerals Concession Rules. According to the rule, if an application for first renewal of a mining lease is submitted within the time referred to in Sub-Rule 1 is not disposed by the state government before the date of expiry of the lease, the period of the lease shall be deemed to have been extended by a further period of 2 years or till the state government passes order thereon, whichever is earlier. Federation of Indian Minerals Industries has raised concern about the amendment. They had written letter to the Mines Secretary. According to the FIMI, the repercussion of amendment is that all the second and subsequent renewal applications pending in various states have become infructuous and the leases have lapsed immediately. Mines Secretary has replied the letter of FIMI and asked all the states to furnish the information regarding the mining leases before 14th August. Mines Ministry seeks this data: mining lease number, date of expiry of the mining lease, date of application of second renewal, date from which pending with the state government. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The report presented before the Assembly by the Home Ministry shows that rape cases have increased by 67% as compared to the previous year. Cases of dacoity, robbery, thefts and burglary have also increased drastically, but overall crime detection rate has decreased during the same period.
A report submitted by Home Minister Manohar Parrikar discloses that overall crime for the period between April 2013 to March 2014 have increased by 35% as compared to period between April 2012 to March 2013. But most shocking fact is that the cases of rape have increased by 67% in the state for the same period. Total 95 cases of rape have been registered in various police stations in Goa, and police have detected 90 cases so far. The report also reveals that cases of dacoity have increased by 167% for the same period. Cases of robbery have increased about 10%. Cases of theft and burglary are a big challenge for Goa police, as these cases are increasing every day, but detection rate is very low. Between April 2013 and March 2014, total 1,161 cases of different types of thefts have been registered, but only 350 cases have been detected. For the same period, 408 cases of burglary were registered, out of which only 105 cases have been detected. Home Minister Manohar Parrikar has informed the Assembly that many steps have been taken to prevent and detect the crime, but this report shows that overall crime detection have decreased by 0.47% for the same period. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.